Winter. This is the one that I have put a kit up for. I don't think I've put all the other ones up, I'm not sure. But this one is definitely up. Are you on Facebook? I can send pic of some of the artwork. Oh yes, I'd love to see. Yes, I'm on Facebook, still as Heart and Design. If you go to my link in bio, there'll be a link there to my Facebook, my Instagram and everything. So that'd be lovely. Show me what you do. And once you get your things, you can show me what you do as well. I'd love that so much. What sort of art do you do, Kerry? So here is the winter book. So the winter book is obviously all things wintry. So we start off quite simple and then the book gets more difficult. But believe it or not, when I did this, I thought, yeah, that's going to be easy. And then I realised all these little patterns are in here. It was more trickier than I thought. Pets and wild birds. Oh, lovely. I absolutely love to draw animals. I'm not so good at it. I'd like to be a bit better. I just find that I don't get the time enough. I do pet portraits, but I tend to use pastels rather than just drawing. Do you paint or draw or pastels? So we're going through the winter book, the Learn to Draw winter book. So we start off quite simple designs and then they start to get trickier and trickier as you go along. You're just transferring over to the grid and basically copying it, because what you're doing is your brain is learning through muscle memory. So the more of this you do, the better you will get at observation and the better you will get at seeing actually where you need to draw things. This is the starting point. If you want to learn to draw or you want to get better at drawing, this is your starting point. These books have lots of different tasks in, as I say, some of the easier ones depending on your mood and some of the trickier ones. And once you've had a go at doing them in the book, I always recommend you get another piece of sketch paper. You then draw the grid again in pencil. You then draw the image again, rub the grid out, and then you are left with your image to colour and paint as you wish. Paint and drawings, yeah, lovely. Do you do acrylic paint or watercolour? I like to do a mixture of both. I can never choose. Or gouache sometimes. Do you sell the grid paper? Well, no, I only have the grids in the book, and then you have to draw the grid on the actual sketch paper yourself. So you just kind of have to copy the grid. As long as all the squares are the same size, it doesn't matter how big they are. I would say go to about 2 or 3 centimetres square in your sketchbook. Both. Yeah, so you just draw it in pencil, transfer it over, outline your image in pen, and then rub the grid out and you're left with your image. So here we got the winter coat, and then there's a few simple snowflakes. We've got a cute little cold hedgehog in his jumper and a penguin. So lots of fun drawings to do, and then as I say, you can see from this one they get a bit more difficult as you go through. I'm just going to have a sip of my tea. I do actually have colouring in progress mug. They are also for sale and they are part of the kits as well, but I just need to have a quick drink.